Hi, my name is Andrew Megdi Kamal Nassif, and I'm the founder and CEO of StarkDrones and the co-founder of BitBadges. I'll be creating a course on building disruptive Moonshot technologies. Throughout my career, I've built various forms of experimental tech, from internet balloon systems to even designing systems that could potentially extract water from thin air. I'll be making a course that's powered by BitBadges, which is a digital certificate platform. I'll be introducing you to the objective thinking that influenced people throughout history, from Da Vinci to Richard Feynman and beyond. I'll be talking about lean manufacturing. I'll be talking about bootstrapping, which is building things from seemingly little resources. I'll be talking about the ideation process, and even if the lean startup method applies to you. I'll be talking about the neuroscience and critical thinking behind innovators and what influences innovators. For completing modules in this course, you will be granted digital certificates, and you can add the modules or the entire learning pathway to your LinkedIn or CV. Back us today and join us on a journey to innovate. Thank you.